students, welcome to Global Online University. So this video is regarding the provisional answer keys that has been just released by NTA. So students were eagerly waiting to check their answers. So now you can do that. First we'll read the notice and then I will be telling you how you can check the answer key. What you do have to do is go to nta.ac.in students. There you will have to scroll down. Here all the notices are displayed, so click on archive. The first notice is regarding the invitation for provisional answer keys. So what you have to do is click on read more. Now let's read this notice. This notice is dated 21st of January 2022 and they are inviting answer keys challenges for phase 1, 2 and 3. So NTA is giving you the question paper that you have attempted, or the where you have marked the answers, and they are giving you the provisional means tentative answer keys. Those are not final ones, and they are inviting students to challenge their answer keys. So for that they are giving you 3 days, that is from 21st January to 24th of January, and for every question there is a fees of 1000 rupees. Okay. So if you challenge one question, the fees is 1000. If you challenge two questions, the fees is 2000. So this is not the final answer keys. This is just the tentative answer keys. And after all this, after you challenge this, and you have to also provide documents also, evidence also. If you think that the answer by NT is wrong and your answer is correct, you have to provide proof that your answer is correct, and the NTA will revise the answer keys and they will provide the final answer keys for the students. So for all the 81 subjects, the answer keys have been released. See, you can scroll down and see your subject code and the name as well as the exam date and shift. And here, this is the link on which the question paper and the answer keys is available. So you have to click over here, then a new page will open. You have to scroll down a little bit, okay, and click on display of key challenge for UGC NET December and June 2021. Okay, there are two modes through which you can log in. First is through application number and password. The other is through application number and date of birth. So I am clicking on the second option. Okay, so okay, I'm writing the application number. Okay, so these information after you provided, you have to click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, this page will open up where there are two options. First is to view the question paper which you have attempted in the examination, and the other is the answer keys that are provided by NTA. So to view the question paper, when you will click over here, a new page will open up, and here you can see students that there are question ID for each question and there is option ID for each option also. Okay, like option, this is 7.25, the option ID is 8324. For the first question for this set was this DI question and the question ID was 2081. Okay, and the answer by the given by the student is this 8323. So what you have to do is, the same way for all the question this is given, so you have to find the question ID 2080. I will close this tab, or and I will click on this second button which says click to view challenge answer keys. So I will click over here. Students, here you can see that there is question ID for each question and the correct option this is given by NTA. Okay, so I will find my question ID, which is this 2081. Question ID that we were discussing, that was 2081, that DI question, and the correct option by NT is 8322. So the student has marked 8323, so this is wrong. But if the student thinks that his answer is correct, so what he can do is click here and click on save claims. Okay, save your claims. They are saying whether you want to submit. So here you have to also confirm. You can also select multiple questions also, and then you have to click on save claims, and then you will have to make payment. So for payments you can use only credit cards, net banking, or your UPI, Paytm. You cannot use like fax or draft of email or hard copy method. Okay, so this is how you can challenge your answer keys, and this is not the final answer key, students. These are just the provisional answer keys. You can check your marks through these, but these are not the final ones. So if you think that on the basis of the answer keys that NT is providing, you think that you have not performed very well, or if you think that you can do better, so don't think that this is the end of the world, student. This is just the starting. Even if you're getting less marks, you still have more opportunities coming up. So to help you with those, Global Online University is providing you complete course for UGC NET June 2022 cycle for paper 1. We have started a new batch on our WhatsApp group where we provide 60 full syllabus tests both in English and in Hindi, full syllabus notes, complete video lectures. There will be daily live lectures, and there additionally we provide the PDF of daily lectures on our groups as well. So the benefits of our WhatsApp group is that you can put up your queries, you can interact with the educators, you can also discuss things about the examination with other students as well, and also you can find people of same paper too also. So here all the latest updates is always provided on our WhatsApp group. So to join it, you can contact on this WhatsApp number, contact on WhatsApp. The fees is just 499 and we will be adding you to our group, and all the information regarding paper 1 will be updated over there. So all the best. I hope all the students who are watching this video, you get very good marks, and those students who think that they are underperformed, you still have option, or still have chance to score more in the next cycle. So don't lose heart. All the best. I hope all of you who are watching this video crack the examination. See you in the next video. Bye.